नमस्कार, मी प्राध्यापक सचिन पाटील या शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपणा सर्वांचं स्वागत करतो. आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत बी.एड प्रथम वर्ष पेपर इंग्रजी अध्यापन पद्धती या विषयातील महत्त्वाचे MCQs. In classroom teaching objectives dash dash is in affective domain. Options are precision, articulation, naturalization, organization. Right answer is option D, organization. Which objectives is newly included in the cognitive domain of Bloom's taxonomy? Options are creativity, analysis, synthesis, evaluation. Correct answer is option A, creativity, methods and models and their pioneers. Project method, Kilpatrick. Heuristic method, Armstrong. Advanced organizer model, Asubel. Concept attainment model, Jerome Bruner. Inductive thinking model, Hilda Taba. Match the pair. To integrate, synthesis. To illustrate, comprehension. To state, knowledge. To criticize, analysis. To predict, skill. An example of educational visual aids is radio, TV, blackboard, tape recorder. Correct options are option C, blackboard. An example of educational audio visual aids dash dash, tape recorder, board, picture, TV. Correct options are option D, TV. Dash dash is the founder of problem solving method. Options are John Dewey, Kilpatrick, Rousseau, Heberstedt. Right options, correct options are option A, John Dewey. Which of the following is not the cooperative learning strategy? Options are Jigyasa, thinking peer, share, role playing, lecture. Right option is option C, lecture. Dash dash created taxonomy of educational objectives. Benjamin Bloom, George Shue, Good. Now Asubel. Correct options are option B, Benjamin Bloom. Dash dash evaluation is the best evaluation. Options are group, self, peer, program. Correct option C is option B, self. Concept attainment model is developed by dash dash, Jerome Bruner, David Asubel, Fanny Scheffel, Bruce Joyce. Correct option C is option A, Jerome Bruner. Role playing model is developed by options are Asubel, Fanny Scheffel, George Scheffel, Bruner, Skinner. Correct options are option B, Fanny Scheffel and George Scheffel. Overhead projector is an dash dash aid. Audio, visual, verbal. Correct option is option B, visual. Project method is based on invention, group work, learning by doing, activity. Correct option is option C, learning by doing. Long form of CAI is computer assisted instruction, computer assisted improvement, computer assisted impact, computer assisted innovation. Option A is the correct option. Dash dash means the degree of force with syllabus is uttered. Options are rhyme, stress, intonation, phonetics. Correct option is option B, stress. Dash dash is the most different aspects of English learning. Options are reading, speaking, listening, writing. Correct answer is option D, writing. English become dash dash of the whole world. Language, arts, lingua franca, link. Correct option is option C, lingua franca. Dash dash and intonation add the important elements of a speech. Options are stress, speech, vocabulary, rhyme. Correct option is option A, stress. Dash dash is the scientific study of the speech sounds of language. Options are voice, vocal, pronunciation, phonetics. Correct option is option C, phonetics. There are dash dash basic linguistic principles. 10, 9, 8, 7. Correct option is option C, 8. Analyzed the objectives of teaching in three main domains. Options are Johnson, Dr. Bloom, Menon, Dr. West. Correct option is option B, Dr. Bloom. The dash dash method is also look and say method. Options are sentence, phonetic, syllabus, word. Correct option is option D, word. Extensive reading is also known dash dash reading. Options are oral, silent, rapid, supplementary. Correct option is option C, rapid. Dash dash is an art of self expression. Options are composition, written composition, oral composition, picture composition. Correct option is option B, written composition. Dash dash is also known as a spelling method, language game, phonetic method, sentence method, alphabetic method. Correct option is option D, alphabetic method. A dash dash is a recent innovation is in a teaching of different languages. Options are linguaphone, ling, ling, language laboratory, epidoscope, VCR. Correct option is option B, language laboratory. Dash dash is one of the most important device of teaching. Options are narrative, illustrative, questioning, drilling. Correct option is option C, questioning. Dash dash teaching methods are based on constructive learning theory. Options are communicative, constructive, bilingual, grammar based. Correct option is option B, constructive. Constructive. The total number of English phonemes is dash dash 40, 44, 20, 26. Correct option is option B, 44. Dash dash mean the rise and fall in the pitch of our voice when we speak. Options are stress, rhyme, intonation, grammar. Correct option is option C, intonation. Dash dash is the tune, the melody, the music of speech. Options are stress, intonation, rhyme, grammar. Correct option is option C, rhyme. In dash dash there is use of English language as well as local language of teaching English. Options are direct method, bilingual method, suggestive method, none of above. Correct option is option B, bilingual method. TV is an audio visual aid. The aim of teaching dash dash is to import pleasure to the student to make understanding the thoughts and feeling given in the poem. Options are prose, grammar, poetry. Correct option is option C, poetry. Dash dash is the grammar where rules and regulations are given. Options are formal, functional, structural, none of above. Correct option is option A, formal. Flashcard is dash dash aid. Flashcard is visual aids. Grammar dash dash approach ignores grammar and structures. Options are communication, structural, situational, all of above. Correct option is option E, communication. Language is a mean of dash dash. Communication, human life, methodology. Correct option is option A, communication. The education commission planned by dash dash stressed the need for studying English as a compulsory subject to acquire at least a working knowledge of English. M.K. Singh, D.G.S. Kothari, V.R. Gonak. Correct option is option second, D.G.S. Kothari. Learning a language is a matter of dash dash skill, process, adjustment. Correct option option A, skill. In the system of language teaching and learning, the system of constructing words is called dash dash semantics, syntax, morphology. Correct option is option C, morphology. Practice and dash dash drill is essential in language teaching. Options are learning, writing, pronunciation. Correct option is option C, pronunciation. Dash dash formulate the rule and principles of the language. Options are grammar, structure, method. Correct option is option E, grammar. There are dash dash general aims of teaching English at the stage. Options are 4, 5, 9. Correct option is option A, 4. Dash dash developed of teaching to the grammar translation method. Options are the direct method, the indirect method, the inductive method. Correct option is option A, the direct method. Correct pronunciation of individual sound is related to dash dash. Fluency, accuracy, A and B. Correct option is option B, accuracy. The number of alpha in English sound is dash dash. Options are option A, 12, 44, 8. Correct option is option C, 8. Diphthong is a dash dash. Options are pure vowel sound, mixed vowel sound, pure consonant sound. Correct option is option B, mixed vowel sound. The rise and fall of pitch in voice is called intonation. Direct method is also known as dash dash. Natural method, indirect method, inductive method. Correct option is option E, natural method. Study of meaning in a language is known as dash dash. Syntax, semantics, linguistic. Correct option is syntax. Language is dash dash not static. Primary, evolutionary, secondary. Correct option is option B, evolutionary. The right of children to free and compulsory education was made in the year 2007, 2008, 2009. Correct option is 2009. Dash dash is the scientific study of the speech, phonetics, pronunciation, phonics. Correct option is option A, phonetics. Dash dash means the rise and fall in the pitch of our voice, intonation. There are about dash dash basic language pattern of sentence structure 275, 200, 280. Correct option is option A, 275. The dash dash approach is a technique wherein the learner masters the pattern of sentence. Direct, translation, structural. Correct answer is option C, structural. English phonemes consist of dash dash sound 44, 26, 12. Correct answer is 44. A dash dash mean a degree of force given an a syllabus or a word. Rhyme, stress, pitch. Correct option is option B, stress. Dash dash is a scientific and analytical study of a language. Method, approach, grammar. Correct answer is option C, grammar. Functional grammar is called dash dash. Informal grammar. Dash dash is one of the most important mode of communication knowledge. Questioning, narration, drilling. Correct option is option B, narration. Dash dash is one of the common device used by the teachers. Translation, explanation, drilling. Correct option is option B, explanation. Dash dash is a skill based subject. Options are innovation, language, communication. Option B is correct, language. Dash dash approach is based on a people construction, their own understanding and knowledge. Constructivist, communications, grammar, translation. Correct option is option A, constructivist. Dash dash approach is helpful to teach a grammar, structural. Syllabus consists of dash dash consonants, vowel consonants. Dash dash like to listen to stories and tell them as well. Children. Ballard defined dash dash is a science that lies behind the art of literature and the composition. Grammar. Dash dash guides the teacher. Textbook guide the teacher. Dash dash is a mean to judge the achievement of the field of education. Answer is evaluation. The self evaluation is very important for self improvement. Dash dash organize various types of refresher courses, SCRT. A dash dash of lesson plan is important in teaching learning process principles. A dash dash is word in best order. Prose is the word best order. Dash dash is a habit formation process language. Dash dash is the teaching of foreign language direct method. Bluch and Traeger say language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols by means of which a social group cooperates. Dash dash is a major window to the modern world. English. Myth dash dash method, the oldest method. Grammar translation. Prose dash dash to intellect. Appeals. Grammar is a practical analysis of language. Dash dash help to achieve aim. Objectives. Dash dash is the first step of lesson planning. Time management. English is a used as a medium of instruction. All the language have grammatically structure. We can teach grammar well by structural. Phonic method is based on phonology. A story, any piece of section that can be read in half an hour. Open-ended communication is to use to student vocabulary. One good picture to do the work of thousand words. Teaching of English is compulsory in language from standard first. Dash dash is a social activity. Language is a social activity. Direct method is called as dash dash natural. Dash dash approach develops listen skill. Oral approach. There are 8 dash dash in English. Language is system of symbol. Dash dash telling encourage child to love the literature, foreign language, story. Dash dash methods give importance to sound, phonic. There are dash dash speech sound in English, 44. Dash dash is the very important aspects of language, poetry. Dash dash is the components of English language, grammar. Overhead projector is dash dash aid, visual aid. Phonetic books should be used for dash dash reading, writing, correct pronunciation and improvement in a pronunciation. None of these. Correct option is option C. Audio visual aids helps to teaching of English, score and written. Options are pupil response, pupil's attention, ability to comprehend. None of these. Correct option is option B. Dash dash is primary a system used for communication. Options are language, phone, internet, man. Correct option is option A, language. In a guide composition, preparation for dash dash is the important objectives. Options are controlled composition, comprehending content, pre-composition. None of these. Correct option is option A. Approach tells us dash dash to teach. Why, what, when, all the above. Correct option is option B, what. Dash dash method is based on grammar and translation. Options are oral approach, direct method, translation method, all the above. Correct option is option C, translation method. Question number 27. Language is learned through imitation, observation, communication, interaction. Correct option option A. Structural approach is helpful. 30. Question number 30. Structural approach is helpful. Options are to teach grammar, to give practice of rhymes, to make a clarification of concepts. None of these. Correct option is option A, to teach grammar. Direct method is organized in dash dash in the year of 1901. Options are England, France, America, Germany. Correct option is option B, France. 97. Syllabus consists of dash dash vowel and consonants, none of these. Right option is option A, vowel. Question number 66. Dash dash method has to give justice to the learner. Options are eclectic, communicative, direct, none of these. Correct answer is option A, eclectic. Language is learned primarily by the dash dash. Options are reading, listening, recognition of sound, all the above. Correct answer is option C, recognition of sound. Question number 161. First rules, then examples are included in dash dash method. Deductive method, direct method, inductive method, none of these. Right option is option A, deductive method. A text. Question number 162. A text cannot be learned to roughly and perfectly well unless the learner learns the dash dash grammar, textual grammar, simple grammar, theoretical grammar, all the above. Right option is correct option is option C, theoretical grammar.